Hey guys, welcome back. So in my last video I talked about a trading plan with 4 key elements: market session, pair and time frame. If you haven't watched that one, go watch it first, link in the description. Now here's the thing, if we trading with a small account, we need a rock solid trading plan, and I'm talking about a military level discipline here. A military level discipline. No excuses, no shortcuts, no I will do better tomorrow. No. Today I am diving deep into position sizing and risk management, and honestly this might be the most important video I ever make, so stay with me. Alright, let's say we have a $50. Here's how I want you to think about this and listen carefully, because this mindset changed everything for me. You need to think like you can lose the next 20 trades. Sounds crazy, right? Yeah, sounds negative, but trust me, this mindset will save you. So what we do is, here we divide 50 by 20. It will be $2.50. So that will be our risk. Let me do this. So our risk will be $2.50 per trade on a $50. Yep, that give us $2.50. That's your risk, $2.50 on every single trade. No more, no less. Oh, this setup looks like really good, let me risk more. No, $2.50 every single time. This way, even if you hit a bad streak, and you will hit bad streak, we all do, you are still in the game, you are still breathing, you still have capital to fight another day. Let me tell you something, the traders who survive are the traders who manage their risk. End of story, nothing else matters. If you blow your account, and guys, let me be real with you for a second, the whole purpose of this channel, the reason I wake up and make these videos is to make traders disciplined. That's it, that's my mission. If I can make just one trader profitable through these videos, just one single person out there, that's a big achievement for me from my bottom of my heart, because I know how hard this journey is. I have been there. I have sat in front of charts at 3 a.m. questioning everything. I have lost money I could not afford to lose. I have felt that pit in my stomach when a trade goes wrong, and I don't want you to go through the same pain I did. I really don't. Now let me ask you guys a simple question. Think about this for a second. If you are running a business, any business, what kind of expenses do you have? Think about it. Labor expenses, staff salaries, office rent, utility bills, equipment, inventory, insurance, taxes, the list goes on and on. But what if I give you a different perspective, a perspective that completely changed how I see trading? If you run a trading business, you don't have any of those expenses, none. You just need internet, and honestly, that's not even a business expense. You would have internet anywhere, right? You're watching YouTube right now. So here's the mindset shift I want you to make, and please really let this sink in. Treat your losses as business expense. That's it, that's simple. Just like a shop owner pays rent every month, whether they have good sales or bad sales, you pay the market sometimes. It's the cost of doing a business. It's the rent you pay to play this game. And trust me, when you start thinking like this, everything changes. You will take losses differently, maybe not happily, but at least peacefully. You will accept them as a part of the process. Because let's be honest, taking losses in trading is the hardest part. It hurts, it feels personal. It feels like you failed, but you didn't fail. You just paid your business expense for the day, that's all. Learning to lose properly is the most important skill you will ever develop as a trader. Most important than a strategy, any strategy. Most important than any indicator. Most important than anything. So now we will talk about why most traders actually lose. There are really only a few reasons. It's not complicated. Revenge trading, that's I need to make it back right now. Feeling we have all felt it. That burning anger after a loss that make you take another trade immediately without thinking. Overtrading, taking 20 trades a day because you are bored or like you are addicted to the action. Over risking, putting way too much on one trade because you are desperate to grow the account fast. That's it. That's what kills accounts. No bad strategies, not the market being unfair. These three reasons. So what's the solution? What if, and just hear me out, what if we just stick to 2 trades per day, maybe 3 maximum, and I mean really maximum. The world has to be giving you perfect setup for that third trade. That's it. 2 to 3 trade. 2 to 3 trades done for the day, close the charts, go live your life. If you do this, you will already ahead of 90% of traders out there. I'm not exaggerating, because while everyone else is over trading and revenge trading and destroying their accounts, you are sitting there calm and disciplined, taking your 2 trades. Always remember, less is more. Always remember, less is more. Always remember. Less trades, less stress, less screen time, less mistakes, and ironically, more profit. And guys, one more thing. This is really important to me, and I want to hear this. Stop comparing yourself with others. Seriously, just stop. I see it all the time. People on social media flexing their profits, their fancy cars, their lifestyles, and traders sits at home with their $50 account feeling like failures. Stop it. It's not about where you started. It's about where you reach in the life. Because everyone's journey is different, and I mean completely different. Some people start their struggle on a bicycle. Some people start from a Mercedes. Some people have rich parents. Some people are completely on their own. Some people have time. Some people are working 2 jobs. It doesn't matter at all. Like those runners on a running track, before the race starts, they're all behind each other in a different positions, right? The track is curved. Some runners are way at the back. I know this they all gonna run the same distance, but the point is, the runners at the back, they never complain. They never say this is unfair, I was already behind before the race even started. They just run their race. They just focus on their own lane. Same thing with trading, same thing with life actually. Run your own race, stay in your own lane, focus on your journey. Doesn't matter how much money you have, doesn't matter how much money the guy next to you has. Start small, stay consistent, and stay simple. That's the formula. That's all you need. So let's recap what we have now. We have a solid plan, 1 market to trade, 1 session, 1 pair, and 1 time frame. I discussed all of this in my last video. Now we have position sizing, $250 per trade on a $50 account, or whatever that number is for your account size, divide by 20. That's your risk. I know it's a 5% risk, but we only have a $50 on account. I'm talking about the small ones. If you have a $100 account, you can divide it by 30, so your risk will be down. And risk management, 2 to 3 trades per day maximum. No revenge trading, no over trading. But there's one more thing left in this short course. How to make a checklist before starting your day and before taking any trade. A simple checklist that keep you disciplined and focused. That's coming in the next video. And after that, I will start sharing my actual trades. We will discuss setups. We will go through real examples together. You will see exactly how I think, exactly what I look for. And just so you know, my setups are simple. No flashy stuff, no complicated indicators, no Fibonacci, no RSI, no any smart money concept, just simple candlesticks, not even candlestick patterns, just candlesticks. I will teach you all of it step by step together. But first, make your simple trading plan, do the work, build the foundation. Alright guys, I have to leave now. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay profitable. And remember, I will be with you in your highs and lows of this trading journey, the wins and the losses, the good days and the bad days. I'm here. See you in the next one.